Let me carve. We have nuts. And since you guys are so confused, I'm here to set the record straight. This coming Sunday, 8th of February, we're throwing a house party. And you are invited to the party. Honestly party with the Scots. If you want to pull up, make sure you text anybody on the screen, dog. We got you. Top the lineup. We've got Lava. Bitches, boy. Bitches Ulava, dog. We've got Tyler. Bitches, boys. Bitches, Tyler. Except then we got Abong, Steady Brew, Yamlet, dog. Calm ting. This brew is probably gonna be making sure Amna and streams now everything tapped in. Lera, dog, we need you on defense that day, chief. I don't wanna see Lera slacking or anything, poison. No slacking from this brew, gang. Then next up we got Ulara. Lara is this brew. It's gonna be one of these things, Quentin. It's gonna be one of those, dog. I'm telling you for sure. Now you are invited to the party. Everybody honestly party with the Scots. If you wanna pull up, make sure you text anybody on the screen right now. Remember, if we bring your own alcohol, but to those who come. Except one thing I gotta say though, if we please, I'm begging genuinely, don't pull up without Utyola Bako, bruh, because who do you expect to feed you, my sister? Oh my God. Anyone who's coming, please bring your own booze. Can't make it. Well, guess what? We cooked some for you because we're gonna be streaming it live. I don't even know how we're still gonna do this. Actually, you know that, because I have an idea. Yeah, but I have an idea of how I wanna do it and how big it's gonna get. But I don't have the resources and shit. But we posted it without thinking. Abantu bazawuza. Abantu are gonna see that shit and they're probably gonna be like, whoa. What the fuck happened there? Because the planning is not even there, Joe. I'm concerned. What if the music overpowers the stream? Then what? Yeah, well, that's my biggest concern, honestly. W is in the chat for Okoyo. That's my biggest concern, because and if there's music and a party, so then we'll end up having to stream ipati, because I'm trying to bring people like, yo, my sister is you know, have like a one-on-one thing, you see. Yeah, we'll ask her like, say, so and how do you feel about the party? You got parties going good, come ting. Even before the party, you have another leg planned out, but that's just a private leg. Few people are gonna come up, other people are not gonna come. Live column with 10, make sure to tap in, make sure to subscribe right now, because you don't want to miss out. And if you're still not convinced, maybe this clip will help you. I'll see you in the AUC volume. Yo, what?
I don't know what's over me. I'm overthinking it.
I'm already jiving, boys. I'm hyped up for this shit, dog. Let's get it same time, dog. I'm telling y'all, boys, gang. Sabesi party inside. Am I right in? Also, maybe Kalang Hati. Like I said, but yeah, this is the bra coming as well. We've got Lara in the chat. A calm bro, honestly. Calm bro. 300. I thought he had more followers than this, actually. But that's also a light thing. If you look at my numbers, cooked, buddy, cooked. But I really started taking this account serious like recent though. Yeah, I was still watching this. What up? It's your boy Streamer Sasekasi. It's Streamer Sasekasi, boys. I'm making sure, even the intro, I'm making sure they know, dog. They must tap in, dog. It's about time. God damn right, it's about damn time now, dog. Sir. Yo, Joga. Except every party we've thrown for the past, like, what? 60 days.
How? Hold on, bro. How?
for the past like 60 days, bruh, if you look at the calendar, it's 30 November, bruh. Siku February. Oh, we're grooving. But I mean, honestly, I'm tired of that shit. I'm trying to lock in streaming for real. I see the motion. I see the vision. I think everybody basically sees the vision. Yeah, everyone believes in me. Everyone's telling me, nah, you got this shit. At time, me, I'm also low-key crumbling under pressure. But yeah, I school up, man. I'm starting to love what I'm doing. And what I'm doing is starting to love me. I was so close soon. I was padalo on Twitch, no YouTube, but I'm not there for now. This coming Sunday, 8th of February, throwing house party, and you, yes, we're not. You are invited, bro. Whoever is watching the stream right now, yes, we're now. We want you there, my sister. Whether you like it or not, we wanna see a packed house. Then you know how. That's how you throw a party, gang. Exactly. It's looking stressful to me. It's looking stressful to me because that day is also my birthday, gang. So like, I don't want people thinking, no, Uta did all of this just to celebrate his birthday. Like, no, bro. Like, I want this nigga to have fun, and whoever he brings, I want this bro to have fun. This bro must have fun. This nigga, and this nigga, dog. Everyone will call you. It must be a nice time, and I'm sure it's gonna be a nice time, man. But the only problem is, how am I gonna stream, chat? How will I be streaming, boy? Uzabe kuthiwa mgcwele abantu. If I need to charge my phone. Gcwele abantu, bruh. Me, I'm low-key worried. And I shot this video yesterday, actually. No. Yes, I shot this video yesterday before I went to gym. Then I had to edit this thing. I started editing at like 8. I think, yeah, I can say 8. That kabang 11, bruh. 3-hour edit. People would think like, say, ah, boy, this is a calm thing when Zinjan Pro. I had to use 2 apps. Stronger. I have CapCut Nanko. See these two right here. I had to use these 2 apps right here, bro, just to make sure that shit was not, dog. This one was just the basics, also, and then this one was the effects, so the thingy, the captions and stuff. So yeah. Yeah. This nigga is probably gonna pull up. He said he's gonna pull up with bitches also. Yeah, commenting. This nigga might bring wishes. This one. Cooked. This one. This bro is bringing himself. Tira Kajani. Now let's not catch Tira strays, boys. He's already complaining, but why is he catching a stray? Yo, bro, Chonga talk. My status bongs. This is the same video, by the way. Tough. My face is like plastered all over the net, gang. I'm telling you, dog. It's gonna be a good time. Make sure you pull up. Because even the song says, "Ba bize bonke." Ask me, no one a good time, gang. But to those who can't make it, well, guess what? We cooked some for you because we're gonna be streaming it live Kalam with 10. Make sure to tap in. Make sure to subscribe right now because you don't wanna miss out. And if you're still not convinced, maybe this clip will help you. I'll see you in the 8. Now make sure you set your calendars, boys. Make sure you set your calendars.